Hey Dutchy crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Well, today we've got a question for you. Can you cook the perfect steak in a Ninja wood-fired oven? Now we all know that the Ninja grills are great for cooking steaks in, but can you do it in the oven? Well, I believe you can with this. This is a 5mm steel laser cut plate. It's been pre-seasoned with oil, simply pops into the baking tray. We're going to get it in, we're going to get it heated up, we're going to pop a steak on, and we're going to see how it comes out. So the first thing we're going to do is going to get some pellets into our pellet hopper. Don't forget we're going to use the economizer from the Pellet Man and also some charcoal pellets also from the Pellet Man. With the economizer you only need 50% the amount of pellets because this is going to be a very quick cook. Once the hoppers are full, drop it into the oven. We're going to pull the rack out with our rack tool. I've got the tray just lined with aluminium foil. And we're going to pop this in. This is the all new grilling plate. So that's in. We're going to shut the door and now we're going to get some temperature. We're going to use the max roast setting. That's 300 degrees C, 570 degrees F. Put 10 minutes on the clock. Don't forget to hit that Woodfire technology button and off we go. Once it's up to temperature, all we're going to do is get some kitchen towel, put a little bit of oil on it. And just rub this across the surface of our grill plate. This is not a lot of oil, it's just getting a very thin coating. Here we've got just a store-bought ribeye steak. It's not the thickest, so it is going to cook quick. Drop that straight onto the grill plate. Push it back in. Shut the door, press start, and off we go. So we're going to go for 1.5 minutes. This is real time, you can see the timer counting down. So there we go, that was 1.5 minutes. Open up, pull the tray out. Got a steak flipper here. In we go. As you can see, non-stick. Turn it over. Got some colour on it. Push it back in, shut the door. And we're going to go for approximately another 1.5 minutes. In fact, it was near on 2 minutes. Open the door, pull it out. We're going to check the temperature. This is just purely by fluke. Look, it's exactly 52 degrees C, 125 degrees F. So we're calling that steak cooked. We're going to get it off and let it rest. We'll put this to rest now. And there we have it. That's our ribeye steak cooked on the all new Pellet Man grill plate inside the Ninja Woodfire Oven. If it was a thicker steak, we'd get more colour on the outside, but we'll just run in with what we've got. So there we have it, folks. That's our ribeye steak cooked in the Ninja Woodfire Oven on the all new steel grill plate. 1.5 minutes approximately either side, 52 degrees, medium rare. Let's cut into it and see how we've done. Medium rare. So we've had a look, now it's time for a taste. Look at that, still blushing inside. Well, what can I say, it's a ribeye steak cooked in the Ninja Woodfire Oven using the all new steel grill plate.